Let's talk about how to sign the question, my cousin's still upset, and the statement, my cousin's still upset. Let's start with the question. So I'm going to sign it, then we'll break it apart. Here we go. All right, the sign for my looks like this. It's a possessive pronoun, so we know that all possessive pronouns have the same hand shape. Just a flat hand, fingers together, thumb alongside. Now we're doing my, so we just go like this. All right, one time, my. You, yours, my, my. Okay, so my. Let's go to cousin. Here is the sign for cousin. All right, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. We're just going to make the hand shape of the letter C, like in the alphabet, A, B, C. Okay, we have a C. Put it along here about at the same level as your ear or so, out a little ways, we're not touching, and just swivel back and forth. Do it quickly. Cousin. Cousin. From the side. Cousin. Other side. Cousin. Cousin. From the front again, cousin. All right, starting from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Cousin, cousin, cousin. All right, I have seen a variation of this sign, still uses the C hand shape, but instead of going like this and swiveling, it's more going like this. Cousin, cousin. So it kind of makes backwards movements towards the head. Cousin. It's pretty similar because we still have a C and it's still in this area doing something a little bit different. So once again, the variation you may see is like this. Cousin. Something like that. To be consistent, in this course, I'm going to be signing cousin like this. Cousin. All right, where we swivel. All right, quick review. C hand shape. Put it here so the tips are facing in towards your ear at that level and just go like this. Cousin. Cousin. All right, we just talked about the sign for cousin. All right, still, we've already learned the sign. Do you remember? All right, Y hand shapes. Just start here, palms facing down, push forward, curve up. Still. Still. Upset. Here's how we sign upset. Use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. Hand shape's just going to be like this. You can leave your thumb sticking out, put it in. That's up to you. Use the inside part of the tips of the fingers right here. First, we're going to slide up on our stomach, flip it out, and go back in. All right? Kind of making a little shelf here. That's how you end, like this. So like this. Right? Slide up with the tips, slide up, and then open it up. All right, so at the end, you're not just going slowly and gliding. At the end, you're kind of whipping it out there. Upset. Upset. From the side. Other side. From the front again. Upset. And add in a facial expression, because if you're upset, you're probably not going to be like, no, it's, ugh, right? Just think of your stomach when you have stomach pain or whatever, ugh, right? Upset. All right, starting from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do upset 3 times. Upset. 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 All right, couple things. When I'm doing the tips, I'm actually making contact as I'm sliding up. You wouldn't have to, just get close. All right, and when I come back like this, the base of my hand is touching right here. So upset. Upset. Right, hand shape once again like that. Thumb in, that's up to you. Go like this, slide up, flip it out. Upset. All right, facial expression is very important. If you're really, just feeling icky and you're upset, right? If just a little bit, Okay, once again, we talked about how to sign upset. And I smiled. Okay. All right, we know all the signs. Let's do the full sentence. It's a question. It's a yes/no question. So at the end, make sure to raise your eyebrows, lean forward a little bit. That's how we communicate a yes/no question. All right. So it's going to look, I won't sign for a moment. I'm just going to say it. It's going to look like this. My cousin's still upset. All right. So you can have a stone cold face or a regular face during the first part, but at the end, make sure you're communicating, showing a question face. Yes/no question face. All right, so we're here to sign, so let's sign. Here we go, nice and slow. Sign with me. My cousin still upset? My cousin still upset? All right, again, let's do it. All right, let's jump over to the statement. Same signs, just don't put that question stuff. Neutral face, nod a little bit, just sharing some information. All right, let's do it. My cousin still upset. All right, a couple times, sign with me. All right, back to the question. Statement. Oh, I did the question. Aha, shame on me. Statement. Here we go. Okay, in this lesson, we talked about how to sign the question, my cousin's still upset? And the statement, the declarative sentence. Still upset. Okay.